I just had to do this before I cut this bed. I like so love orange. Look at these zinnias. Holy cow. I mean, these were just cut on Thursday. Today's Monday. The bee just bumped me in the forehead. I mean, this even surprises me. And I've been doing this for like ever. Amazing. And then right next door is the plumes that haven't really started yet, but wait till you see this Sunday. Just ignore the nutgrass. Sunday red, Sunday pink. I might cut some of that today. Here's the queen, Sunday orange. No question, sell out every stem you could ever grow. So, harvest day. And I gotta cut those zinnias too. Anyway, gotta go have lunch. See ya.